Prepare pasta like this next time fast, easy and delicious. Perfect for dinner or lunch. I will start this recipe by adding a teaspoon of salt in a pot of boiling water. I will also add a tablespoon of olive oil. Then I will add 300 grams of noodles, or also known in some countries as pasta. And I will move a little to prevent our elbows from sticking, and I will let it cook for the time indicated on the package. Since our paste is ready, I will take it out into a container to drain all the water. Then, in a frying pan I will add 450 grams of tomato sauce. Right there I will add 300 grams of strained tuna without the liquid they bring. And with a spatula, I will stir very well to incorporate these ingredients. Once these two ingredients are incorporated, I will add half a cup of sliced olives. And I will season with half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of oregano, a pinch of black pepper, and I will mix these ingredients very well to incorporate it into the sauce. Now I will let the sauce cook over medium heat for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes our sauce would be ready. Then, in a rectangular refractory I will add 2 tablespoons of the sauce, spreading it well until it covers the bottom. Now I'm going to add the paste we had, draining the water. Then I will continue to add more sauce on top of the pasta, as well as I am doing it. Once all the sauce is added, I will go to a table to grate 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. And I will spread the grated cheese over the pasta. Now I will quickly move on to cutting some parsley to give color and flavor to our recipe with pasta. Then I will add all the cut parsley, and with the help of 2 forks I will begin to mix very well until all the ingredients are incorporated. Once all the ingredients are integrated, I will add a little more grated mozzarella cheese and a little more finely chopped parsley, and stir again. And now our recipe with elbows is ready. Look at how delicious it has been. You cannot imagine how incredible it tastes. Now we only have to serve and enjoy this recipe. I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 so you know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Che1 and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.